Hey, hello friends, welcome to 30CAGR YouTube channel. My name is Raj. And friends, in this video, we will talk a little bit about algo trading. At least what is the basic of this, okay? Or if someone wants to proceed with algo trading, how, or what they have to do. Because there are a lot of queries that we get, on daily basis that I want to enter into algo trading, but I don't know where to start. What exactly is algo trading? And also, I thought I'll make a short video on, what this is exactly, and if you want to get into it, how you can, get into this algo trading. But before you watch the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit on bell icon, because in this channel we exclusively talk about so many algo tools, right? So many algo tools, strategies, and how to automate them and other stuff. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit on bell icon. All right, so algo trading is very simple. These days, we call it as algo trading or auto trading, automated trading, and all. We are using it interchangeably, but actually, algo trading is a little different from automated trading. We will see first of all what this is. Algo trading is nothing but, let us say you have a strategy, you are trading manually. Very simply put, if moving average crosses LTP, let us say that is a sell signal, and then if it comes down, it's a buy signal. Very simple logic you have, and you are trading as per moving average. Now, if you can automate that 100%, and if the tool takes buying, selling, exiting, everything automatically on its own, okay, we call that as auto trading, okay, or algo trading. Now, if we go a little deeper, actually, algo trading and auto trading are different. It's very sad that so many people don't know that. Even people working in this field also do not know. They think that both algo trading and auto trading are same, but no, it's not the case. Algo trading is actually something where it does on its own. It has some intelligence. For example, search engine. In search engine, what happens is you type a query and then you get the results. But nobody from Google or some other company comes and says that if someone types, for example, Nifty, give only these results. Nobody fixes those results, right? The search engine automatically changes the results based on the algorithms in the backend. So that's something called algo trading. Automated trading is, it doesn't have any intelligence. Whatever you simply say, it will do. Okay, it's like you say that follow 1 to 3, it will do 1 to 3, right? But yeah, as I said, it's a very thin line. So many people use it interchangeably, and let us also call it as algo trading only in this video, because that is what we are actually going to learn about. We don't really get into these algorithms or some kind of intelligence that we deploy in these tools. That's like a very high level. If you talk about HFTs, high frequency traders and all, they use it. We don't generally use these kinds of algorithms in the trading tools, but it is not required also. Let me tell you one thing. There are already so many SEBI stats saying that 90% of the people are losers, and then 10% of the people make money in options, right? What you need to understand is, out of these 10%, so many or majority of the people are algo traders. This tells us that the probability of earning goes phenomenally higher, okay, compared to the discretionary or manual trading, right? There could be so many reasons. Especially one is the stress, or the emotional factor that kicks in, and then that makes you take all sorts of wrong decisions. So, and then the risk management thing, so many things are there. But if you automate your trading, what these algo tools, what they do is they will exactly follow whatever you say, right? If you say that my target and stop loss is 1%, it doesn't have any emotion. So what it does is simply it will cut down your position once target or stop loss is reached, right? This is very, very, very important, and that's the reason out of every 100 algo traders, almost 40 to 45% of the traders are in profits, or at least they are not losing so much money. Okay, this is published by more than one paper. There are so many papers that are actually publishing these results, that the percentage or the probability of people getting into profits or not losing money so much is very, very good and high when it comes to algo trading. So sooner or later, everybody almost starts this algo trading. So it's a good time for you to enter into algo trading if you are not already doing, right? So that's about it. And now simply put, how this works, very simple. Algo trading is nothing but, that brokers give you trading terminals in the front end, and in the back end they have something called APIs, programmable interface. What we do, when I say we, companies or fintech firms like blue chip algos, what they do is they make use of these APIs, which are nothing but set of rules. Okay, you can just think it as set of rules. They say that, these are the rules. We take these rules API, and then we build the applications. Okay, like TradeBot's desktop or TradeBot's web application or Trade Scalper. We already have a lot of applications, right? We take these APIs, we make these apps, and when you place the orders, these will go into the broking terminals. In fact, they actually go into the exchange directly, but again, they will be shown on the broker terminal. Okay, whatever front end terminal you have, it's just an interface. Okay, just a portal that will show all your orders, nothing else. Your orders will directly go to exchange. Okay, when you place it through the broking terminal, or I mean trading terminal, or when you place it through the application, through API, whatever it is, end destination is your exchange only. Okay, and then what broker will do, they will show it in the trading terminal. So all these orders, okay, that you place from API eventually will go to the exchange, and that will be shown on the broking terminal. That's it, very simple. Now the problem is, when users want to automate their strategy, they don't know where to start, because for this you need to know coding, right? Not many people are well versed with all these codings like Python, .NET, and all those things. So they either they can learn it. It's actually easy. I wouldn't say pretty easy. It's easy if you want to build basic applications, but if you want to build complex applications, for example, you can see this trade scalper. Okay, it took more than 1.5 year for us to build this, because there are a lot of complex applications and combinations within this tool. Okay, so if you want to build some complex application, it might be difficult, but otherwise basic things, if you want to build, you can do it on your own. You can learn some language, and then take the APIs, and then implement your own application. Now so many people, what they say is, sir, we are into trading, we want to focus on trading, we are not into development, we don't want to get into that. So how do we do it? Where do we start it? Okay, if you want to get into algo trading, the first thing that you have to do is, you need to be solid with your strategy. You need to know your strategy first. Okay, even if it is a simple moving average, when someone asks you, you should be in a position to tell what happens in this case, what happens in that case. Okay, if you can put them down on paper, okay, or write it down, something, document it, something, it can be easily automated, right? So the first thing you need to understand is, you need to have solid grip on your strategy. You need to know what that strategy is, entry rules, exit rules, stop loss rules, and everything. And once you have that, okay, you can go to some developer and then ask them to automate it and give it to you. Now here comes the problem. People struggle to find good developers, because this requires both the domain knowledge, stock market knowledge, and the coding knowledge. Not many people have this, because stock market itself is a big ocean. You cannot explain them what is a call option, what is a put option. And then they also need to have this coding knowledge and all. So that is why it is becoming very difficult, and so many frauds and scams are happening in the market. They are saying that they are the developers, they take first 50% or 30%, and then later they will not turn up. So all these things are happening, and people are struggling a lot. So what we have done recently is, in our website bluechipalgos.com, we have recently started this algo development service. Okay, earlier we were only into in-house tool development, but since many people are asking, we thought we will also start algo development services, so that there is some trusted firm in the market who they can rely on. And hence we started this custom solutions. Now we have three things. One is B2C, business to customers, like individual retail clients who can give us the requirements. And the second is B2B, for portfolio managers or brokers. For them also we develop. In fact, for the last few months we have developed a lot of projects for B2B also, like portfolio managers or asset managers. And finally, we also have something called PineScript development for TradingView. TradingView is a very good charting platform, and you can do miracles with TradingView. You can directly automate the signals. Let us say you have a strategy, and when that strategy gives you a signal, you can directly send it to your Telegram channel, or if you want to directly trade in your broking terminal also, you can connect to trading view and your broker terminal directly. It fires the orders and then sends the signal to trading terminal. So there are like so many things that you can do with trading view. Okay, so you can pick any of these things, and you can let us know. We can automate your strategies. But to make this process entirely streamlined, we have a process in place. Why? Because generally what happens is, in these project life cycles, most of the projects get dropped off in the middle, and it is a burden for the customer also and for us also. Okay, so we want to avoid that. So what we have done is, whenever you come to us, you can WhatsApp us your requirement in case if you have. Then what we will do is, we will give you this Google sheet, okay, Google form. You have to just fill all the details like name, phone number, whether it's a desktop application or web application, and all those things, which broker you want, okay, what indicators you have, and then what segments you want, and all those basic things you can fill up. And you also have to mention the strategy in detail. Okay, we also have attached a sample. You have to give us clear cut instructions, right? What is the entry, what, how should be the exit, and then points to note. All these things you have to tell us clearly. And then the next question is, what all parameters you need. I already showed you, right? What are the parameters that you want us to give, so that you can change yourself, target, stop loss, trailing, whatever you want. Okay, you have to put it here. And then you also have to upload some screenshots. Let us say it's a simple moving average or RSA based strategy. Go to Zerodha or whatever is your broker, whoever is your broker, take some screenshots and then upload it, so that we will understand what this strategy is actually about, right? That's the first step you have to do. And once this is done, we will look into the documentation, and then we will set up some calls, 1 or 2 calls on Google Meet or Skype. Sometimes even the user doesn't know that, okay, these might be the case. So then he will tell that, okay, in this case do this, in this case do that, right? And after that 1 or 2 calls, then we will that is the second step, actually, getting into the calls and understanding the requirement completely. And the third step is, once this is all final, we will send an email saying that this is the scope, this is the estimated cost, and then these are the timelines. Okay, that is the third step. Fourth step is obviously the development. Once we get the sign off from you, we will start the development. And the fifth step is testing. We will do the basic testing, of course, and then give it to you. You can test your project. In case if there are any bugs, you can come back to us, we will fix it. And even after that also, once everything is final, you giving us the sign off for final project approval, after that also we will still give you like 15 days of time. If you find bugs after that also, you can come back, and after that the entire project life cycle will be completed, right? So this way what happens is, you will have a clarity, we will have a clarity, and this will make the entire process streamlined, right? So that's how this entire process happens. And as I said, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. I'll put the number in the description also, WhatsApp number, or you have the details in the contact page also. So that's all. I actually want to tell you in this video what exactly is the algo trading, and if you want to get started, what is the starting point. You can come to us, you can go to anybody, okay, who knows about stock market and the development. There are many people who are struggling to get started. And remember, future is all about algo trading. Okay, so do share this video in case if you think this will help your colleagues or co-traders, and like the video as well if you like the content. And as I said, don't forget to subscribe and hit on bell icon. You are going to see a lot of algo tools. Already we have a lot. We are going to develop more and more algo tools and bring it to you. So just make sure that you hit on the bell icon also when you subscribe. Okay, otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.